My name is Andre, and today we're launching Gridpicker, the next generation of warehouse robotics. The last few decades have seen major innovation in the automated fulfillment market. Kiva systems changed how warehouses approach automation. New architectures like cube storage maximized storage density, while novel robotic form factors, including our own autopicker, made it finally possible to achieve human-level performance and lights-out automation. And yet, 75% of today's market is still dominated by complex and expensive shuttle systems. And that's because at scale, shuttle remains the best way to achieve ultra-high throughput, high density, and high labor savings, all at the same time. Until now. We're excited to introduce Brightpick Gridpicker, the world's highest throughput robotic fulfillment system. Gridpicker takes our proven autopicker platform and transforms it into a high-density, grid-based system run by AI-powered mobile manipulators. The result is a solution that can deliver up to 2 times the throughput per unit area compared to shuttle systems, while maximizing labor savings through AI-powered robotic picking and dense vertical storage up to 12 meters or 40 feet high. And the best part, thanks to the productivity gains enabled by mobile manipulation, we're able to deliver all of this at up to 40% lower cost compared to shuttle systems. With Autopicker, we've proven that we can scale to hundreds of robots in a single warehouse. Now with Gridpicker, we're taking it up a level, and we're bringing our solution to the largest and most demanding warehouse environments. If you want to see the future of warehouse robotics, join us at 1 p.m. on March 24th in LogiMAT Hall 8 for the live reveal.